Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to make strawberry cheesecake macarons. To get started, we'll be making strawberry jam. That's going to go in the center of the macaron. Add 200 grams of strawberries to a pot, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 50 grams of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water and mix. Cook down the strawberries, then add the cornstarch slurry and cook until it's thickened. Cool to room temperature and put in the fridge. I like making this the day before. For the macarons, sift 130 grams of almond flour and 130 grams of icing sugar. Add 100 grams of room temperature egg whites and a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Whisk at high speed, and once it's foamy, stream in 90 grams of granulated sugar. Whip until you get stiff peaks like this. Add it to your almond flour and icing sugar and start folding. Along with folding, you should press the spatula against the side of the bowl to knock extra air out. Fold and repeat until it runs off your spatula like this. Add to a piping bag with a small round tip. Pipe out 1.5 inch circles. I recommend using silicone baking mats. I love this one with the circles since I'm not great at getting them all the same size yet. Or you can print out circle guides online onto a piece of paper and put it under a transparent mat. But don't forget to remove the paper before baking. Tap your sheet tray to get out any air bubbles. I use a toothpick to help me too. Let them sit for up to 30 minutes to dry out. This ensures they don't spread and rise up to form the feet. Bake one tray at a time. I bake them at 310 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. They are done when you wiggle them back and forth and they don't move. But since every oven is different, this might not work for you. Try anywhere from 300 Fahrenheit to 320 Fahrenheit. Sometimes if the temperature is too high, they rise too fast, which can cause hollow shells. For the cream cheese frosting, add 4 tablespoons of softened butter, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, and a pinch of salt to a mixing bowl. Oh, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add 1 1/3 cup of icing sugar. Scrape the sides when needed to ensure everything is mixed in. Mix until it gets light and fluffy. I'm decorating mine using food coloring and alcohol as a paint. To paint on the macarons, you can just use a fine brush and let your imaginations fly. I also used edible markers. To assemble, add your cream cheese frosting to a piping bag with a small round tip. Same for the jam, but you don't need a tip for this. Pipe a border with the cream cheese frosting. And add strawberry jam to the middle. Add your top shell and you're done. I love the way my flowers came out. I was going for a summer vibe. These macarons are crispy on the outside but soft and chewy on the inside. The cream cheese and jam filling's slight sourness complements the sweetness of the macaron shells perfectly. It really does taste like strawberry cheesecake. I hope you give these a try. Thanks for watching!
Like and subscribe, please.